Hey guys, welcome back to Math Review with me, Mr. Scott. It is Tuesday, June 16th, and here we go. Let's jump right in. Remember, you do not need to have this particular page. You can write it on your blank piece of paper or in your notebook. Let's see what the question number 1 says. Fill in the blanks below. 365 what is equal to 1 year? If you have 60 seconds, what does that give you? 1 what? Over here for C, 1 week is equal to how many days? And then how many hours are in 1 day? 1 year gives you how many weeks, and finally 12 months equals 1 what? Go ahead and pause the video now, my friends. Answer those questions. Hit the pause button. And we're back. Let's think carefully about this. If you have 365 days, that gives you 1 year. You're absolutely right. 1 something is equal to 60 seconds. That would be 1 minute, which is minute. 1 week is 7 days, of course, and we have 24 hours in 1 day. 1 year, this is the tricky one, friends. It is 52 weeks. 12 months gives you 1 year. There we have it. Let's move on now to question number 2. With question number 2, we really need to think about the information that we're given, and we need to think about what they are asking. There were 5 boys and 3 girls waiting in line to get an author's autograph. Each person in line had 2 books to be signed. How many books in all did the people in line have? Was it 6, 10, 16, or 30? Go ahead and hit the pause button, guys. Answer that question on your paper, and then come on back and see me. Pause now. All right, well, the first thing we need to do is to talk about how many people are looking to get autographs today, and that is 5 and 3, so 8 people in all. But you know what? Each person wants 2, so that means this is a multiplication question. Now, that could be a whole bunch of addition, but we decided that we know that this is an equal group problem. Now, if we have 2 of anything, that means if the number is doubled. So I can add 8 to itself. 8 plus 8 is 16. There are 16 books that need to be signed. Each of these 8 people have 2 books each. So 8 times 2 is 16, not 6, not 10, and definitely not 30. The answer is C, 16. Good. Let's move on to a measurement question now. Question 3 says the following things. I'll try that again. Which measurement best describes the length of a bed? Is it 6 centimeters, 6 inches, 6 feet, and 6 meters? The number doesn't change. It's really a question asking you about what do you know about the units. So go ahead and smash the pause button right now, friends. Mark your answer on your page. Hit the pause button now. When we think about the units here, we've got a bed that's 6 centimeters. That is too tiny. Not even a baby doll could sleep on that thing. So that is too short a measurement. No. The length of a bed is at 6 inches. Again, an inch is very, very short. If you have 6 of those, you still don't have nearly enough space. So that is going to be too short. 6 feet is actually a really, really good length for a bed. What about 6 meters? Meters are very, very long, and if you have 6 of them together, you're going to need an awfully big bedroom. This is too long. We thought carefully about the units, my friends, and we know that this one here is just right. I'm going to cross off these other multiple choice answers, circle the correct one. Now, let's take a look at number 4. Use the number 2,490,178 to answer the following questions. They are, what is the value of the 4? What is the place value of the 2? What is the value of the 7? And finally, what is the place value of the 9? Go ahead and hit the pause button, guys. Answer those questions, then come on back and see me. Pause now. All right, so what do we got here? What is the value of the 4? The value means how much is it worth. The 4 is in the hundred thousands place, so we have 400,000 as our answer. Be careful because with this next one, it says place value. If you're ever asked about place value, they don't want to know the digit. They don't want to know how much it's worth. They want the answer in words. In this case, the 2 is in the millions place, and that's what we're going to write down. Okay, what about the value? Again, the value means how much it's worth. The 7 is in the tens place. If I have 7 tens, I've got 70. And finally, the place value of the 9 is in the 10,000s place. So, we know that we can put 10,000s place. And there we have it, my friends. Let's take a quick look at what we did today in our math review lesson. We thought really carefully about time and days, weeks, minutes, hours, you name it. The important one was this tricky one over here, 52 weeks in 1 year. For this next word problem, we needed to think carefully about what information we were given. We had to find the grand total number of people involved and then multiply it by 2. For this multiple choice, For this multiplication, we know that we needed to double the first number. 8 plus 8 is 16. Down here for measurement, we really thought carefully about the units, and we worked out that 6 feet is just about the right length of a bed. Down here at the bottom, we had to be really, really careful with how they were asking us these questions. We could have been asked the value, the digit, or the place value. Well, that's it, my friends. Well done. Get on over there to Seesaw and answer the questions in your exit ticket. Can't wait to see your work. Take care, my friends. All the best. Bye-bye.